Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to go over Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is trading at $19,037. 24-hour volume, we're up 8.7%, and market cap, we are down 1.43%. Okay, so heading over to our chart, I'm going to go over on our week, daily, and then 2 hours. But if we take a look closely on our weekly chart, we do have one more day in this chart itself, or this candlestick, and so far here we've got almost a characteristic of this candlestick, an inverted hammer. Typically we either have a very small wick at the very bottom or no wick at all, and the tail at the very top is twice the size of the body, and the body itself is near the bottom. So this essentially is a bullish candlestick reversal trend so long as it's observed closer to the bottom. But one of my concerns too is that it does give a jump start of the bears opening up into the next candlestick itself and actually retesting area of support here at the 17,795. And if we take a look at this current support, if we do drop roughly around 5% from our area of support number 1 here, or area of 2, it is going to complete our pattern. And again, I am going to be revisiting this pattern week after week to see if Bitcoin is going to crash and fall, because a lot of people are anticipating during this session in the fourth quarter that we are going to see all cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, fall once again. So heading over to our daily chart here, you guys, I do feel like we are going to come back down and test this area of support here that I have is 18,334. We can see the RSI at the very top here as I bring it down. The white line here is only at 38% and our pink line is at 64%. Essentially, they are going to come down as we do see weakness in our MACD indicator that measures momentum down here. And if you take a look at the bars, they are getting smaller. So momentum itself is getting smaller. As we can see, the candlestick itself is getting bigger in the body in both directions. But what we can anticipate, or what we can gather from this information for today, is simply rejection from our 20 moving average here. You can see that the wick at the very top just touched it ever so gently, and as we are coming down, this is going to be a tested area of support. Now we can see a few of our candlestick bodies retrace down to this level. We've got here on Friday 24th and a few candles on Monday the 27th and Wednesday the 29th retracing down to this level. So I am going to anticipate and watch very closely if we can be able to bounce nicely from this support at the 18.3. And lastly here, you guys, very quick here, we're going to take a look at our 2-hour time frame. I have extended some of our support and our resistance level here in these rectangle formations, and I'm just going to zoom in so it's easier for all of us to see, is that the RSI at the very top has initiated a sell signal. So as we can see, peaked up here on our 20 moving average, which is treated as a resistance, turned into support. You can see multiple times that we rejected on this level on a 2-hour time frame over here as well, and simply in the last 3 hours or so that we got rejected once again. We have this huge engulfing candlestick right here, and as price is going to retrace down, we can hopefully hold support in these ranges here at the 18.9 all the way down to the 18.6 here. So 18.9, 18.6 is a known area of support. We can see already in the area of September 24th, and then here on September 27th, it was a tested area of support. So again, we are hoping to catch ourselves from here, bringing the RSI down, and hopefully we see that buy signal pushing us back up and retesting our resistance to kind of get back into the game. As we can see, the Bollinger Bands at the very top here and at the very bottom is expanding, meaning higher volatility, that the price is going to move fairly quickly here, as it was established in this pinch that it was a breakout in a downtrend. So whenever we have pinches like this, and if we get rejected from the 20 moving average, the breakout is initiated in either uptrend or a downtrend, depending on where we do close above or below the 20 moving average. And in this factor, we have closed below it. So we are going to continue to come down. And the retracement level, again, we are considered to be oversold on our Bollinger Band, but we are considered to be overbought on our RSI. So watch this very closely to see if we can be able to hold this area of support. That is my video here for Bitcoin. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed my insight, smash that like button for me. It is definitely going to help me in the growth of my channel. Also subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time.